What's up guys, it's Secretary back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 5 tips to improve your YouTube videos. Now yes, I don't have many subscribers, but I have learned a few things since I have been doing YouTube for quite a while now, for a couple of years. And also, sorry about my voice, I have a cold, so that's why I sound like this. So the first tip is to get a microphone. Even if you have really good video quality, if you have really bad audio quality, then people get annoyed and they'll stop watching a video, which means less watch time, and it could mean less subscribers. Now, a microphone that I'd recommend is the BM800, which is the microphone I'm using right now. It's a great microphone. For the price, it's only $18, and if you hook it up with an audio interface for $60, like the Behringer Uphoria UM2, which is what I use, then you'll get great audio quality like you can hear now. The second tip is to use the rule of thirds. Now, I personally don't use it because I prefer to have a more symmetrical style, but it can make your videos a lot more interesting if you move from like here and keep changing it around. Now, if you don't know what the rule of third is, it's basically when you position yourself in one of the thirds. You can look at a more in-depth video on it. Just search up the rule of thirds on YouTube and you'll definitely be able to find great explanations there. The third tip is to edit your videos. Believe it or not, there's heaps and heaps of people out there on YouTube who do not edit their videos and they just keep on rambling, and then it can get quite boring. So if you edit your videos, then you can cut out all the mistakes you make, all the boring parts, and you can also add in things like memes and stuff. Depends what your style of video is and your genre, but you can just add things in, delete stuff, add B-roll, whatever. And yeah, it'll definitely improve the quality of your videos. The next tip is to have proper lighting. If you don't have proper lighting, then your subject won't pop off the background and it'll just blend in with the background, which can be not very nice to look at. And it also won't pop you out of the background, so people won't really focus you as much as the background. The last tip, and this is more of an optional one, is to script your videos. It depends what style of videos you're doing, but if you are doing like a tech video like I am, then I definitely recommend scripting your videos. Unless you're very good at putting words together, but when I just started out, I was mumbling and stuff, and I had to cut it all out, and it didn't sound very professional. So now I script my videos, and it's definitely improved my overall video quality. So that's something I definitely recommend, but it's definitely not for all channels. So that's all from me, guys. Hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, smash the like button. If you didn't, smash the dislike button, and remember to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.